Tingnan nga muna yung bulsa mo.
Wala, baka mawala sa akin.
What? Dad? Where? Dad? Again! When is your... Like what? Nothing to explain that.
God. Ay, God. Ang ingin ni Paul.
Better know that. It's about money. Money? What money? Well, you see, everything. I need money.
Kita yung ulo
You
nito.
need money? Are you working already? Yes, but this isn't enough. How much are you earning? 50,000, Dad. 50,000? You're earning almost as much as your father. You don't understand, Dad. I don't understand. Don't misunderstand me, Dad. But you just said I don't understand. That means I'm not capable of understanding. And now you're saying not to misunderstand you means I'm capable of understanding pala. Make up your mind over me. I want to know allowance. Diablos! You want your own allowance? You're working, earning 50,000. You don't pay me a single centavo for your board, and that's here in my house, and now you're asking for your own allowance? But I have so many expenses, Dad. How much have you got saved up in the bank? You didn't save anything, so you have nothing in the bank. What gifts do you give to your girlfriend? Well, expenses 15 to 20,000 pesos expenses. Your president, when I was courting your mother, I used only to give her money or balloon.
Yes, I remember quite well. The only thing that my mother used to say after receiving the money for her. Ang kuripot naman.
Aray! Pero Petra, we set apart this very 50,000. You don't pay us a single centavo for our house expenses, and on top of that, he's asking for his own allowance. Where in the world have you heard of such a thing?
I know a place where the children work and don't give their parents any money and ask for allowance.
Where?
In the Philippines.
Aba! I just got here, Petra!
Ah!
Grabe naman umaasig ako.
But mother,
I give them money for a taxi and take a jeepney.
jeepney, to visit a girl? Hi! What?
Francisco,
Ako nagmano mo.
I'm calling the servant.
You won't dress with that servant having the same name as the owner of the house? Ako, senyora.
You may have said so too.
Want to talk to me?
Of course.
Want to go to the right? Want to go to the right?
Yes, sir, Francisco.
Huh?
Don't talk to the servant. When did you do it? And why not?
I forgot to do it. Not even remember now.
Stupido. I have gotten me to visit it.
Where's Nena? Time? It's 11 o'clock.
And so it's nothing.
Has she heard mass? And so Nena went to the party alone last night without the chaperone.
It was the first time.
I hope nothing happened.
What could have happened? It was already yesterday.
Yes, I know that. But imagine a Filipino girl going to a party without a chaperone.
Silip. Si Joe.
After all, he didn't go out to Fred alone. He instead stay privately.
Two girls, sister and from abroad, and try to teach our daughter all the wrong things they learned from those places.
Wrong place. Had great Francisco.
Yes, that's right, Señora.
Last night?
Yes, but I forgot where I live.
Alright. I'm gonna go there to it.
Jejemonyo.
Step outside, not inside.
Hi, Francisco. You have to be my namesake.
Judge.
Where are you talking to me, man?
What is it doing here? Don't think head.
You were saying that,
Sabi ni JP.
I'll see. You're being very fair. After all,
Petra, my dear, virtue is ageless. In many ways, yes. Sa Tornillo, you meet Francisco.
Francisco sa Tornillo kung ko.
Yes, that's why when you call out my name, Francisco, the muchacho, rushes in. For you.
Ano, pre?
I'm married to the senora, therefore I'm not a señorita anymore. But the senora, understand?
Paano magawa? Nakangutog ako.
I'm going to change your name. From now on, you will be called Francis. Francisco? Yes! Francis! Understand? When you talk here or come into our river, I don't Francis. Now get out! No, Dad. Don't get a daddy. What do you mean? You want to go to the evening? But then visiting my boo. Visiting girls at this time of the day? It's nearly lunchtime. She called me up. She said I must say right away, and it's very important. You're ready. You went to the party last night. Yes, father. I didn't see ya. You went to the party in Saffron? I'm not talking about the birthday. I'm talking about the girl you took out.
You're going to lose your temper. I made them get it.
I took Leah to the party alone. You young modern people, do you realize during my time when I was courting your mother, her father, her mother, her three sisters, her young brother, first Malika, and two distant relatives sat in the sala with us? Blah, blah, blah. Why so many there? Because during those days, we were more careful about our woman's reputation. But in those days, well, don't tell me those days were different. Outward thinking, like men's size and women's dresses, but the human heart remains the same. Not in other countries, father. So you go in other countries. In the Philippines, different like that. Our values, our tradition, our innate psychology, all these things make our people different from foreigners. But may mga studies abroad. Malayang colleges at London pa. Kaya ba sa studies abroad at for the upper customs and mannerisms of people tradition, never think about art. Sport.
Full na.
Somebody's at the door. Francis. Who the heck is Francis? The servant. I gave him a new name. Señorito. No, my son is birthday here is the señorito. But I'm the señor. See who is coming. Ready to sit down.
Ang gagawin ba?
Oh, what do you want? What do I want? I didn't want anyone. I said, whom do you want to see? Why don't you speak more dearly? And aren't you going to invite me back? He's coming. There. Shall I set down or down? Who's down or down? Senora, of course! What's that? Senora. What is that? No! Not yet. There's Senora I want to share. Senora. Why, how many Senoras do you have? 5. No, there's Senora Petra, and there's Senorita Nena, and there's Barquela. What's Senora Petra? May party. Senora!
Morning. Ako pa muna.
Lagyan mo doon. Mama, palagay nga sa kanan. Salamat.
Really? That is very nice.
Yes, you can sometimes celebrate the life.
Do you mind if
Go ahead, ask any question.
I ask you anything?
You know, I'm applying.
Flying for?
I'm applying for the job.
What job?
That.
Oh, you mean
Yes, I'm offering my services.
you mean you wish to be a muchacho?
Are you sure these people in province in Nalaman? I must be the table in Europe. They might have done
Bibigay ko sa'yo.
Hindi ko maabot yan. Ganun din naman yun.
Dito na lang.
Lapit na lang ako doon.
Watch the house if you have any. I didn't watch the house about when your children to the movie and or to the park. What else? I can do a lot of things. I can sing, dance, touch the rainbows in the sky. I can be your true friend.
Never mind your social account. What's your name?
I was baptized Marcelino, but my mother used to call me Papa because I remind her of her brother that stayed in jail for 2 years. But my friends call me Paul.
I'll pay you 3,000 pesos, including board and lodging.
What the? 3,000? Don't you know that my bound in Malaya is 3,000 a day? And you will just pay me 3,000 a month? I'm just joking. I think that's joke.
It's just crossing the region.
The dishes. It's time for lunch. How did the dishes for breakfast been washed yet?
No, because our servant Francisco always breaks the plate. So I told him this morning after breakfast not to wash them yet.
Oh! Okay. I wish I had come after the day from school.
May I ask Francisco for instructions?
Yeah. Oh, good morning.
Oh.
Have you been waiting long? No? No, I just talked to the senora.
Oh, why don't you sit down?
I'm already sitting down.
Did you come on some business?
Business? Business of a sort.
That's good.
I like the dancing robe that you're wearing.
You like it?
No, I like it.
Oh, you like it?
Yes.
Thank you. Invitation this day. The sunset court. Flattery.
Of course, mine will be more expensive.
Undoubtedly, you must be a man of means.
What means? Well, I'm wondering what's making Francisco now.
Francisco? I am Francisco.
All of the people in the property when I'm saying,
Because it is our culture.
it's your auntie. It's your Francisco. So you're Francisco, senor.
Yes.
The senora told me to ask you for the instruction for the dishes.
Instruction? What instruction?
Instruction for the dishes.
Instruction. What do you mean?
Wait, aren't you the servant that is the senora pertaining to?
Servant? I am the owner of the house.
Owner of the house? Yes, servant. No, the owner. So that, I took you for being a servant. I'm very sorry for that. The way to the Go ahead.
Petra! Petra!
So you're awake. How was the party last night, huh? I suppose your brother whose birthday is looking at it.
You're awake at last. Have you had breakfast?
Breakfast, anything you will?
Aba, where did you guys, Petra?
We flicked half a dozen there this morning.
How about that then? I spoke only one thing far.
I wonder.
I'm wondering too.
I'm just thinking.
Wait a minute, Lena. Sit down. So, you went to the party alone last night without a chaperone?
Told you she was out with friends.
I hope that's the first and the last time you go to the party without a chaperone.
But Father, there's nothing wrong. After all, and Anna.
Yeah.
Let's Francisco, when you speak, is educated.
So, you're awake? Why are you here? I'm tired, nothing, no money.
So, did you take a degree?
Anyhow, I can share this after. Incidentally, I met a friend's mother a short while ago.
Correct, Mother.
Yes, she was near my taxi station.
Taxi station? What are you doing at taxi station?
Trying to get a taxi and credit card, I suppose. Anyhow, Fred's mother,
What about her?
well, she said she was coming today.
What for?
Daddy. Fred's mother? You mean the young fellow that I went out with last night? Exactly.
Did you say what she was having?
No, but she ignored me. Well, she didn't ignored you to that. At me? Yeah, she said, send your father Kiko go and see him. She called me Kiko? Yeah. Didn't she say, don't Kiko please? She don't said Kiko. Aba! Kupi na yan. Either girl. Hoy! Don't shout that loud. Puta, can't you see him, huh?
Did you wear it off?
Pero what?
Ito yung turban.
Sel, di kita. Di kita lahat.
Swimming ba yun? My name is Pablo, yung kami po. My name is Paquito. The senior called me Pacquiao. And then, I once had an amo who called me Jesse. Jesse Robredo. Jesse Robredo from the news? Yes. So you're right. What do you want? The senora wants it done inside. What for? To wash the dishes. Of course. That's not my job. That's your job. I'm not a muchacho. You didn't transfer the sign over there into the muchacho? Yes, why? Then you're a muchacho like me. I want you to understand that I am not a choco mucho. I am a muchacho. That's all. Look like a muchacho to me. Don't let me catch you using that word again, ha? You, Jesse Alfredo,
What are you doing here?
what do you want? You have a problem?
You know we're already eating?
No, okay.
Get out of here!
You want? I love you. mayordomo, ha? Mayordomo, mayordomo. Yuri, talay ba? I'll tell you.
Good morning.
Morning. You wanted to see me?
Yes, you and Bella. I'd rather meet Santa.
RJ, ikaw na lang mamaril mamaya.
Your son's good.
Ikaw na lang mamaril.
Don't imagine. He is no
Bakit?
son. So
Dito
being
ako
your
eh,
son,
walang stand.
supposing he is,
Ano
what's
mamaril?
this to you?
Parang, dadali mo yung, water gun. Oo, tapos,
Certainly not.
babaril mo siya tapos yun. Parang mga joke.
Are you trying to insult me by saying I have no chair at home?
Okay, this is for you.
Ask him.
Her? What? What is a friend? Speak up, my son.
Your son? Your son? So you and your nana have to find some my son. Well, you won't book him.
Call Nena. 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 Ready? Call Nena. Oh, Nena. Nena. If you don't mind, I will sit down. Nena, this lad wants to talk to you.
Tell her.
Tell her what?
What is all this mystery about? My son and your daughter.
What danger is there?
My son took their dog. They're out to the parking lot.
What's your son, a car? Maybe they went in his car.
Of course they have no parking spot. But that is the point.
What's the point then?
That's what I came here to find out. Nena, what happened? Yes, that's right. What happened, Nena? I'm asking you. What really happened, Nena? Nothing happened and you know it. Dad, don't you dare shout at me.
Hey! Don't talk to my mama like that.
You stupid, non-organic statue.
Statue? What statue?
Statue. Statue for dumbbell. It's dumbbell.
Gaga! You. Me, don't start calling my sister name. Okay, sit down. Sit down.
Your son and my daughter out to the party last night. You met on the road.
Nena. 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 Instead of saying there's nothing wrong, my brain tells me that it might be wrong.
You're afraid.
Why, Mama?
You should advise your daughter to stop going to parties and chaperone.
I don't want to advise her.
She's your daughter, isn't she?
Yes.
So?
Go back.
Ah.
You tell me you came here and raised all of these rampants when absolutely nothing happened.
Well, I would say absolutely nothing. After all, I have to be careful. He is very careful about the level of Santa Cruz.
Your son is very stupid. What?
My son's stupid? Indefinitely.
As stupid as you are.
I say, effectively.
It's your fault.
What do you mean my fault, huh?
Your fault. Not your business. And we'll say another time.
Don't you dare touch George, my son. Can't have this human jellyfish. Come here to say what might have happened. Why the hell do you allow your daughter to go out with my respectable son? What's so respectful about it? People gossip and talk about my son. What the heck are you talking about?
Mind your own business. You have to stop looking down.
Jack, I never saw such people. Jack!
Get out of here before I call the police or the AFP or whatever. Mama? Mama? Mama, the police. Police. The mama. Get out. I don't want to see your face again.
What do I? Why do you think I want to look at your face?
I hate all of you. You stupid dumb people, crazy, insane. Whatever. You? Yes? Insane. Thank you. Get out.
Paul! Paul!
Who's Paul, Petra? Yes?
Paul, kindly escort me.
Why don't
People to the door!
Why don't you insert it? Hey, you! Huh? No, you. Get out, you. Get out.
Canada!
Get out of my head.
May chance to come here, sir. Doña Dolores. Dolores Picabeta?
Hoy, ah. Hoy. Ayun ang muchacho, ah. Hoy, Ella, ah. I'm sorry. Ito si Ella. May klase ni Maria. Ayun ang muchacho, ah. You remember that, ah. Dr. Domo. Brother mo, Domo Petra, pay 15,000 a month, so you used to pay me 1,000 pesos only. No, 3,000. So why did you ask me again?
Where will I get that much?
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Jack!
Yan kayo. Ma? Ma?
Can you imagine the insolence?
That one day that us for going out with the chaperone. I was already telling you, Petra.
Francisco naman.
What? Escort, I did out already, senor. What do I do now?
Give me one more dishes.
Oh, you? Come here. Man. I saw you recently that you smoked my cigar. Yes. And yes. Yes, mine! Oh, you smoke it? No. Mayordomo smokes on a cigar. Oh, yes. Oh, that means Mayordomo out.